Hello everybody, welcome to this video. We are on the Royal Caribbean Navigator of the Seas, and I noticed that there weren't very many videos about adjoining rooms, and since we have an adjoining room, I thought I would shoot a little video of it real fast. So here's a few room tours. Okay, here we are coming in. This room is 2266, and the room that it's adjoining to is 2264. We are going to come in here. As you can see, we have some magnets here on our door. We're coming in here. This is how it opens up. There's a closet right here to the right, and then to the left is the bathroom. It's hard to film, so you can see from top to bottom. There's a couple hooks there. I noticed in the room next door, there's only one hook behind the door, so keep that in mind. You can buy magnet hooks. These walls are all metal, so you can magnetize lots of things to the wall. Here's a bathroom. Oh, light switches are on the outside. Bathroom. Scan from top to bottom so you know what you're expecting. It's a shower. Shower has a hook thread thing over here for swimsuits drying. That's always nice. And we've got a little shelf under there, garbage cans, some mirrors. Looks like this one over here. Can I open up? There we go. This one opens up. Okay. Okay, coming back out with the bathroom, closet, there, got life vests there at the bottom, good amount of storage. This is a window room. So I think the ladder is for emergency exiting. Okay, so we're back in the entryway. Mirror. There's a chair in here instead of a couch. There's the adjoining room door. This is set up for a queen bed right now, but we just got on the ship a couple hours ago. By evening time, they will actually separate this bed and make it two twins and pull down from up here to bunk beds from the ceiling. So this will actually house 4 people in here. And then we've got the only outlets in the room that I found are here on this desk. So we've got that. Oh, this stuff is, no, that's not for us. The telephone and data. The announcement channel, if you want to hear announcements, turn those on. You definitely want to hear announcements. And then we've got light switch for the vanity, outlet plugs. We've got storage up here above the TV. The safe above the TV. Under the TV, we've got fridge, little itsy bitsy mini fridge, and then some drawers. There was a dryer, a hair dryer. There you go. So don't pack a hair dryer. Comes with one. Good amount of drawer space, a desk, beds. Under the beds, open area. Can store luggage under there. Looks like there's another life jacket under there. Got some side tables, no outlets next to the bed, because this is a room with a window. I think rooms without a window might have an outlet above the bed, but not 100% sure. Watch other videos for that. This is what our room looks like, and we are on deck 2 window room, Royal Caribbean, Navigator of the Seas, cruise vessel. And I'll show you what the room looks like with the bunks down when that happens, but we have to get the floor crew to get that down for us. Now for going into the room next door, I can open that for you because we do have connecting rooms because we have lots of children and some of our bags are in here. Sorry about that. It's much more of a mess in here, but it has a queen bed, but also the same capability of dropping 2 bunks down from the ceiling and separating this down into 2 twin beds. Everything else in the room is a mirror image. And this is how the room looks with the bunk beds down. You see the 2 came down from there. They put the ladders on there from in the closet. The bottom bed can either be kept as a king or can be separated as 2 twin beds. I hope you enjoy this video and enjoy your cruise. Bye.